The charming story of "meet cute," a romantic phrase explained. Hello, English enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into a delightful phrase that often pops up in romantic comedies and conversations about serendipitous love stories. We'll explore the meaning and usage of "meet cute." So, let's unravel the charm behind this phrase, perfect for anyone who enjoys a good love story. Meet cute is a term that originally comes from the world of cinema and storytelling. It refers to a scenario where two potential romantic partners meet for the first time in a memorable or amusing way. This meeting is often unusual, humorous, or cute in its nature, hence the name. The concept of a meet cute has been around for quite some time, though it became more popular and defined in the 20th century. The phrase originated in Hollywood screenwriting, describing a plot device used in romantic films to bring together the leading characters in an entertaining and engaging manner. To understand this better, let's look at some classic examples. In the film Serendipity, the characters meet while trying to buy the same pair of gloves. Notting Hill features a famous actor walking into a bookstore and meeting the owner, setting off their romantic storyline. These scenes are designed to be charming and to quickly establish a connection between the characters. You might use "meet cute" in regular conversation to describe how you met a significant other or to tell stories about friends' romantic encounters. For example, my partner and I had a real meet cute. We bumped into each other at a coffee shop and started talking because we had the same book. Be aware that "meet cute" is specific to romantic contexts. It's not used for casual or non-romantic meetings. Also, the term is often misunderstood as "meet cute," which is a common misspelling. So, that's the story behind "meet cute," a small phrase with a big role in romantic storytelling. Whether you're a fan of rom-coms or just love the quirks of the English language, I hope this video has been enlightening. Keep exploring, keep learning, and perhaps enjoy your own meet cute story. See you in the next video.